Hello and welcome my friend to a brand new video. In this video we are going to be finishing the notification feature, and I hope we will finish it in this video because it is very simple and we have done most part in the last video. So if you want to check it out, or if you want to check all the playlists, the link will be in the description down below. So without any further ado, let's get into it. But don't forget to right now go and join this community by just subscribing. It will take you only 1 second. So go do it right now, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you will not miss any of my upcoming content. So with that said, let's go. So now that we have done all the logic stuff and the backend stuff, we need now to focus on the design, which is the last step in building any kind of feature. So now what we need to do is to first start we want to ask ourselves, where do we see actually the notifications? So we see them here on the social feed. I have forgot to show it to you in the previous episode, but this is where we see it. It is right here on the top right corner. So in this corner, so here we want to display the number of notifications that we have that are not seen yet. So make sure we want to see. So if we have like 10 notifications and we have seen 5, we want to see the rest. We want to see here 5, or so 5, they are the same. So let's say we have 10 notifications, we have seen 4. So how much we have left to see everything? We have 6 left. So we want to see here 6, right? That's the number that we want to see. So let's configure this before we move on. So right, so I have not done this before, so let's redo it again. So here we want to see a collection, and you will see right now, hey, just in the previous episode you have told me that in a text field, a button, an image, just one simple widget, we cannot bring a collection. So why you are saying something and then you are saying the exact opposite of it? So I'm not saying the exact opposite. I will show you what I mean by that. So let's just keep moving and I will show you. So here I want to bring the collection of all the notification of me, the authenticated user. And here, and you will say, okay, that's good. So there is a single document, that's logical, but I will tell you that I don't want this one and I don't want this one as well. I want just a count. So the count is not like a collection of documents, it is just one data, one thing that we can put inside a text, right? 1, 2, 3, you name it. But here we want to use a filter. We don't want to count all of them. As I told you, I can have 10 notifications, but I have seen 4. I don't want to see 10. I don't want to see all of them, but I want to filter them out by the field called seen. We have seen that in previous episodes. So we want to count the number of notifications that are not seen yet. So the seen field, or their seen field, is equal to false. It is false. So if we haven't seen, like let's say we have 10, we have seen 4, and we haven't seen 6 of them. So those 6 have actually that the seen field is false, and the other ones, so they have the seen field is true. But here we want to display only those with the seen is equal to false. We want to showcase the count. But now we haven't done anything. We have just done a backend call. So we need to come here and add it here. You see, notification count. Confirm. So it looks ugly, but it will be 110, something like that. It will be shrinked and it will show up correctly there. So this bell should take us to the notification page, and there is no parameters, by the way. So notification page. So here it is. Just a very simple and basic navigation. So now let's go back to the notification page and see what we can do there. Good. So first, we want to first bring all the notification. My notification, I want to bring them all in this page. So this is not a simple widget. It is a column that can have many children. So we can bring a collection in that column. So we can have all of that. So we can also put a list view, but let's go with column and make it scrollable. So you have got the idea. or actually let's just replace it with a list view. So this actually this can be a better option. So you can query collection of notification. So my notification, that's what I want. I want my notification. So my reference confirm. Good. So where are the rest of these? They are gone. I don't know, but we want to use the condition visibility. So let's focus on this side, the logical side, and forget the UI. The UI is good. It will follow what you will put here in the logic side. So let's focus on this side, please. So for the followed you. So as I told you, I have used this particular this particular field to control what card to be shown, this one or this one or this one or this one. So I will show you the application of that. So I want the condition visibility. I want to see, so this one should be seen only if this notification, so this backend call, if that particular notification, their type is equal to followed you, right? Here you can pick up the name from here. So the type should be equal to followed you. That is very simple. If the type was followed you, then it will show up in this format, in this card, right? So let's just copy that because we want to keep using it. Just we want to change the other value. So this one, it should be seen only if it is equal to send an invitation. So send an invitation. Sorry. Confirm. So we don't want to hide this. So I want to apply this, and so the third one, what is called commented on your post. So commented on your post. Good, very good. So we can keep working on it. And last one is reply. So replied to to your comment. So everything is good. So let's just show the first one, and the other ones, I hope they will be actually shown as well. So just keep that in mind. So let's just keep this shown, but after we have done that, so we will see how it looks like. Don't worry. So now now we have we have controlled which one should be seen, right? We have done that, and now we need to do something else, right? So we want to dig deep inside and bring the data right here, and sometimes we want to configure each one and how it will behave. So let's actually move on to the next step. So, but before we go, I just want to wrap everything inside a stack. So because we need to see the others, so if we wrap them into a stack, I think things should actually look very good. But so I wrapped one, and the other ones were gone. So let's just add a stack. So right. So I think we should add a column or something like that. So because if we wrap to one, the other ones will disappear. So here's what I will do. So I will try to wrap this into a column, and the other ones will definitely disappear. So let's just disable the backhand, and now if I wrap this into a stack, the other ones will not go. So I will just put it here. So the list view, I will now add the same backend call notification, my notification, and list of documents. Good. See, now we can see them all, so we can control which. So now we cannot see anything here. So the fold view, let's configure the fold view first. So this is gonna be all right. So So we don't have the name, image, things like that. We can do a backend call just for the user. We have his ID. We can do a backend call. Document from reference, not chats but users, and notification. Open it and you will see person. We can bring out his data. So here we can come first to the image, open it up, user, follow URL, name, it goes the same. Good. So this is gonna be, if we open this, we don't want to open this one because this is, so we have used this one to just get the name and the image. Here we want to get the notification data. We want to see the type. Good. And it should be followed you anyway. So there is no need to do that. So this is just an icon, but as I told you before, this, so for this one, it should do something. Whenever you click on it, it should take you to his page, that person's page, of course. So I think we should yes, let's do it. So but no, let's keep it for later. So now I will configure the other one, so you can follow me if you want, or you can skip it to the next step. So the same goes here. So I think we should always, so what we have to do is to add a backend call, bring and find out how you can, so just like how I did with this one, I did the backend call and I've brought the name and this one. This is the only thing you will have to copy and paste for the rest of these cards. So you can do it. I would skip it because it doesn't deserve that much time. And you can just, there is something else that you can do. So you can just copy it. So let's have fun with this. Let's just paste it. So this is just to help you make things fast. So now I will skip it and meet you on the next step. So now I have just brought the data for each for all of them. So I just copy the process so you can do it on your own. It's easy. So here we want to actually do something very different. So for the color we want to see, so we want to separate those that we have seen and those that we haven't seen yet. So I think we should just use the fill color as a way to differentiate. So you want to see, come here and say conditional. So I think we should, yes, if, so if the notification was seen, then which should stay secondary. Else you can use else, or add another else if it is not seen, then something else. But we have only two options, either seen or not seen, so there is no need to add this one. We can keep it here in else, right? If it is not seen, then we want to have, something like a gray. So I will just scroll it back down. So something like this. So something that the eye can see the difference, can see it, that it is different. Good. So if you cannot see it, you can change it. So you can just copy. So this is how we can control whether it is seen or not. So copy it and paste it for all of the others. So because we want to apply that to all of the notifications. So now we have done the first step, which is controlling which one to see. Now we want to, now in the next step, we want to see those notifications we want to see. So when we click on them, what will happen and when we are going to be taken. So we want to see everything in the next step. In this step, let's see the notification. But before we move on, if you find this video helpful, if it is good for you, if it is teaching you something, so make sure you please stop for a second, go right now and click on that thumbs up to help the video reach more people. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, make sure you go right now and subscribe and turn on the bell icon. So go do all of this just in 10 seconds, and then you can come back. So for the followed you, so whenever you click on it first, so the first action is the same. Whenever you click on any notification, you will first make it seen. If the scene was false by default, now you will switch it. So we wanna switch what? So we wanna first edit the notification. Confirm. And wanna switch the scene. Wanna right. So the scene it should become true, and if someone followed you, you click on that, you will go to his profile, right? So that's something that I have thought of, and that's good. So you want to go to user feed, and so who is this one who you will be visiting his page? It is the user ID. It is the one who is inside the person. So he followed you. He created a new notification for you, and he put his ID here. So now, whenever you go to his page, it will ask you for the user feed or the user page will ask you for the person you want to see his profile. So you need to have his ID, and his ID is inside the notification that he created for you. So it is the person. So very simple, very basic. So I will be copying this action and pasting it in each one. So for the other one, so set invitation. So I want to paste that. And then, so if someone sets an invitation, you click on that, you will go to the invitation page. Navigate to the invitation page. Right? There is no reference. Good. And this one is a bit difficult. So it's not difficult, but it requires more work. So so this one is commented on your post, you will just go to the post page, directly to the post page. So the post page, so to which post? So the post ID, we have it inside that notification. So the notification, we have the post, get that from there, and you are good to go. So as I told you, I would like to have some comment, a little text below this one to showcase that comment. So it should be small, like 12 or something like that. It should be normal. Well, it is very, very small. No, way too big. So 16, I guess it is the sweet spot. So I want to bring, so what I want to do is to add combined text. I want to add, so what they call this? I have forgotten. So I want to put the comment section. I want to put the comment between these. So combined text, this thing and this thing, and then be between them we can open the notification to get the comment data. So here we have it. Good. So you can see it there, and the height of this container will be actually changed based on the length of the comment. So that is it. I don't think that there is something to do here. So you can now move on to the last one. So paste that action. So you paste field. Please make sure you say. So I have copied something else, I guess, but it's easy. So you can just update the notification and make it seen. So that is it. So it's not that much of a deal. So notification reference and change the scene field to true. And then you can just go to the post page again. You will go to the post page, look out for your comments, and then see the replies. So no, we don't have to go to the comments to the post page. So sorry. Let's just wait. Right. So I will go to the post page first. So whenever we click on see replies, where we go? So we go to replies. It is yes, that's good. So you want to see something, you want to see the replies on your comment, you want to pull this out. So I'm gonna go to the notification. So I was about to make a very big mistake, and it was not effective. So that luckily I have seen that before we do anything. So the replies, want to see the replies, and it has a so the comment. Good. We need the comment. We don't have the comment. So in this case, we have to go back and add it here. I want to add comment ID, document reference from comments. And this is, we have a new field. Then we need to go all the way back to where we reply, which is this one. Click here, and here you see we create the notification. Here we want to fill out the reply. So the reply and the comment that you have replied to, we need that. So we need the comment ID, and it should come from, so here we create the comment, as you can see. No, it's not this one. Yes, we create the reply. We already have it. So let's just pass it here. So the comment ID, it is already a component parameter. So let's bring it here. So now we want to create a new notification with the comment ID in mind. So now if we come back to the notification page and go to the last one and open this one, if we want to, so here, if we want to go to the replies, we need to have the data, the comment ID. Now we have it. We have a new field. We knew how to fill it out. Now we can just bring it from there. Very good, very nice. And so what is, so this is not an error. So congratulations, you have made it. We have finished the notification stuff, but I just want to do one thing before we move on. Just want to add an order. So we want to order them by the scene, increment or decrement. So those that are not seen must be on the top, and the other ones that are seen must be on the bottom. So we can try different things. So I always have a problem with this one, and I'm not sure why. So this is just to split them. So if you see this one, it will go down. If you see this one, it will go down, and the ones that will stay up, they will actually be there. But we can do something else. We can like add a time that we can use to order. So this is something that I will do very quickly in the next episode. So because now I don't have time, and that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and just want to check these actions to see if yes, all of them are true. So we just want to make sure that we switch the scene to true. Just want to make sure that I have done it correctly. So that is it. We have done that. So guys, I really hope that you have enjoyed every single minute you have spent on this video. If you really enjoyed it, so please show it to me. So go right now and click on that thumbs up to help the video reach more people. And also, if you haven't joined the or if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, so make sure you go right now and subscribe and turn on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever I post something new on FlutterFlow, and you will learn so much things for free. So go right now, like the video to reach more people, and also subscribe, turn on the bell icon, so you will not miss anything. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I will be more happy to answer them in the next Q&A session. So thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.